Hi, I'm Michael Friedman, founder and president of Master Massage Tables. We founded Master Massage 15 years ago with the vision that a professional massage table could be sold for far less money than was common at the time, and so more enable a professional career in massage, or the privilege of massage in one's home, to far more people. We brought the price of a really good massage table down by 50%, and since then the entire field has exploded with unimaginable growth. As the first overseas maker, we have more experience, so our products are naturally more refined than many others. Also, we sell to huge national merchants here in North America and in Europe, and these clients have test protocols that we are obligated to meet. The tests examine material quality and actual performance, but they also test our fair employee practices and the level of safe working conditions in our factories. These are strict formal audits that we must pass every year and with every new model. We, although our intentions are very pure, in a very real sense, we are very, very supervised. I believe that we are the only maker who takes and passes these tests. We want to make things as best as they possibly can be made. Why? It's simple. And maybe it's a bit naive or too trusting, but we feel that if we do all the right things, then things for us will be all right too. So our products look and feel good, they are safe, they won't sway, they won't rust, they won't break, they'll last a long time, and they're filled with little thoughtful touches that you'll recognize when you see them, and you'll be pleased. And if in the unlikely chance that you'll ever need something from us, even years from now, we will treat you like we ourselves would like to be treated, and we will probably, even then, overnight to you at our expense anything you may need, because these are our values. Thank you for listening. You may enjoy watching some of our more specific product video clips, and we look forward to serving you.